over here cooking, man. You know what I'm saying? Look, I ran out of propane, so I'm cooking. You know what I'm saying? So we're doing tacos, and we're gonna make some pork chops. I already cooked the rice. The rice is inside there. Like I said, we're gonna make the whole entire thing. We're gonna make the whole entire pork chop, and I'm gonna eat the whole entire thing. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, I worked hard today, so you know what I'm saying? We got avocados, we got onions, we got all kinds of stuff. We got lettuce, we got tomatoes in there for the tacos, and then for the rice and the pork chop, we're gonna put salad with tomatoes. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna do both meals. I'm gonna eat both. See, I'm treating myself today. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, you know, so you can see, look, this shit's cooking that shit with no problem. Like, let's say homeless style. Y'all see this? Look, y'all see this? Everything fell over when I was trying to fix the tent earlier. You know, putting, this is just in case your first time in the channel, I'm putting sand under here to bring it up. To bring it up and level it out. And I'm building a tiny house. Like, you know what I'm saying? So, you know, homeless style, nigga. What the fuck y'all gonna tell me? Like, you know what I'm saying?